Scene one, Apple, take one.
Hello. Today we're going to be looking at this. It's a Black & Decker 9.6 volt through 19 volt charger. Now I got this thing because I have the HPB 12, which is a 12 volt 200 milliamp NiCad battery, and I got it because my original charger and battery for my Black & Decker cordless drill, of course, died out because I've had it well before most of you viewers were born. Anyway, what I like about this drill is it's a swivel drill. Look at I actually think that'll make a good video in itself. But you know, I really like this drill a lot, and I really wanted to get another battery for it. And after you look at what you would pay for a battery and then have to go out and buy a charger, which I actually did at separate times, sometimes it is kind of more economical to buy a new drill. But you know, because that's what my wife wanted me to do. But I'm like, you know, some of you guys know you got your favorite tool, you're gonna go with it. So anyway, we're gonna hook this charger up. Alright. Okay, so it's kind of like two lights on there, it appears. You got the one light here, and another light, I guess, is showing that the battery is low. But I'm so used to finding radio controlled toys that most of the time green is good. So we're gonna wait and come back in about 6.5 hours and see what happens. So I had this thing on for exactly 6.5 hours, and I came back and the light was still green. I thought this was a light here, but it's actually just part of the charger. It's just a green dot. So I let it charge for like another hour and came back again. So it's been like about 7.5 hours now, and this light has not changed whatsoever. Now at first I thought maybe in some cases the light would be dim green and then it'll get like a stronger green or something like that. There literally is no change at all in the color of this light. So let's test the battery and see if the charger works. Seems to have a lot of power. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I do have a couple of projects I want to work on, and I'm just gonna see if it holds its charge. But once again, as far as the light on this thing, I don't know what to say other than it just doesn't change colors. Now I did read the reviews in here, and a lot of people had different issues with the light, you know, not knowing exactly when the battery is charged. So you can count me among those people. So anyway, let's just hope the battery holds up, because in the end, you know, as long as it holds a charge and it works, you know, that's great. But it would have been nice if this thing actually functioned correctly. Okay, thanks for watching.